I bought my home 2 years ago. I have this coming up in my yard every spring. Can you tell me what it is? And this is Jeremy. Guess what that is, y'all? It happens to be Joellen Diamond's favorite bulb. Belladonna Lily, or Naked Ladies.
Naked Lady.
You notice that's what I wrote down right there.
Ah, you got it down.
I couldn't think of the other. I could only think of Naked Ladies. Yep.
Belladonna Lily.
Yep.
Yep, Naked Ladies. Of course, the foliage will die back, and then in the summer, you have beautiful pink flowers.
They just kind of pop up.
Just pop
like
up.
Almost overnight.
What do they call them? Surprise lilies?
Yeah.
Some people call them surprise lilies.
Another.
They have.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah, surprise lilies.
I've got some in my yard somewhere.
You see them, of course, in the middle of the summertime, and they are absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they just kind of come up out of nowhere. Belladonna Lily, Naked Lady. Look at Mr. D. Look at you, Mr. Bill. Surprise lady. That's good. So there you have it, Mr. Jeremy. Keep them. They are absolutely beautiful. You will definitely enjoy them in the middle of the summer. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.